Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 5353 square minus 2828 square is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So 5353 square minus 2828 square. So when the number is repeated itself, so we can write it is a multiplication of 101 with the number. So 101 times 53 square minus 101 times 28 square. So we can write this as 101 square times 53 square minus 101 square times 28 square. Now I can take 101 square as common. So 53 square minus 28 square. So 101 square times 53 square minus 28 square. Here we can use a very famous identity, a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So 53 plus 28 times 53 minus 28. 101 square times 53 plus 28 is 81 times 53 minus 28 is 25. Now 81 we know that it is a square of 9. So 9 square and 25 is the square of 5. So we can write it as 100 times 9 times 5 times square whole square. Now 101 times 9 times 5 is 45 whole square. So we know that if we write 5353 as 101 times 53, so 101 times 45 is 45, 4545 whole square. So our answer is option number C. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel.